Hi, I'm Phillips. Here's 3 ways to paint your garden shed. Give it a good sanding across all the wood. I'm going to be using French Chic Swanky Pants from the Alfresco range. And I'm painting all the corners first with a heavy paintbrush. These are going to be covered later with a trim, but it will make it last longer. Then I used a small radiator roller to paint the front sections of the panels. This is a little bit quicker than the brush. If you do use a paint sprayer, you will have to dilute your paint down. But they're quick and easy to use. This is the consistency you're looking for. Test it on a small piece of cardboard first. Once you're happy, then you can start to paint the whole panel of the shed. I start from going left to right. Let this dry for 2 hours, then apply a second coat. Then you can turn the nozzle and spray up and down. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.